Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, counting of digits. It might be a bit lengthy compared to our other videos, but this is very important topic, so we should go through it. Make notes. I will also give you certain homework. Try to solve those questions. If not, please have comment. Then I will try to solve those questions again. Okay. Now the first concept is, if all the number are written from 1 to 100, how many times 3 will appear? See, if we write 1 to 100, so 3 will appear at two places. One is unit place, another is 10 place. Tens place. Unit place 3, 13, 23, 33, 43 up to 93. Similarly, at tens place, it can be 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, this up to 39. So from at unit place, if we count, we will get 3 10 times. Okay, and at tens place, the 3 will appear also 10 times. How? See, this 31, 32, 39, 1 to 9, 9 times, plus we have 30 also, plus 1, total 10. Okay, so total 20 times 3 will appear from 1 to 100. If we write a number 1 to 100, we will have 3 20 times, 10 unit place, and on 10 on tens place. Okay, similarly we will find for other digit also. Now you have to tell me how many times 7 will appear if we write a number from number from 1 to 100. So similarly, for other digit like 9, 8, 5, 4, 2, this way. Okay, now another concept is, how many times 0 will appear from 1 to 100. 1 to 100, 0 will appear in 10, then 20, then 30 up to 100. So 0 will be counted when we have 0 at only at units place. But in 100, we also have on tens place. So total we have 11 times 0 will appear. Okay. Similarly, another concept that we will go through, like if we try to find how many times 1 will appear if we write from 1 to 100. See, at unit place 11, 21, 31, 41, 91. Tens place 10, then we have 11, then we have 12, then we have 13 up to 19. So unit place plus 10 place, that is total 20 times. But we are forgetting one thing, that is on 100 place. 100's place means in 3-digit number 1 is also appear at 100's place. So 1 will appear total 21 times if we write from 1 to 100. Okay, these two concept is clear. Now we will check other concept as well. Now this time, if all the numbers are written 1 to 100, then in how many numbers 3 will appear? See, here question is talking about how many numbers. In the previous concept, it was talking about 3 will appears how many times if we write a number from 1 to 100. Now see, if we write 3, 13, 23, 33 up to 93. So in first unit digit पे 10 times. However, on tens place, if we try to find, but this 33 number is already calculated, so we have to remove this 33, because they are talking about if all the numbers are written 1 to 100, then in how many numbers कितने नंबर में 3 appear होगा. तो इसमें तो 3 आ चुका है, यानी अब मेरे को 30, 31, 32 और 33 will not count. So we have 34, total 39. So 1 to 9 we have 9 times, but already 33 is calculated. So here it will be only, means 1 to 9 means 31 to 39. Okay, so 33 is already calculated, so we have only 8 times plus in 31, so total 9 times. So 3 will appear in 19 number. Okay, 19 number. Now similarly, another concept is talking about if all numbers are written from 1 to 100, in how many number 3 will appear only one time. Again, here it is talking about 3 will appear only one time. So if we write in at unit place 3, 13, 23, 33, but in 33 we have 3 appear 2 times, so this will be not calculated. 43 up to 93, yani total 3 at unit place 9 times. Similarly, at tens place 9 times. Thus, total 18 times 3 will appear only one time when a number is written from 1 to 100. Okay, this concept clear? Just as a general rule, remember these things. If any 100 consecutive number, all the digit, if any 100 consecutive number, if we have any 100 consecutive number, consecutive means what? There is no gap, they are continuously, means for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, continuously it will go up to the 100. Okay, so that is consecutive. If like if we take 1, then 2, then 4, then 7, then 9, then 10, if this way if we are getting, then it is not a consecutive number. Krambad, in Hindi we call this krambad. Okay. If any 100 consecutive number, all the digits from 1 to 9 appear for 20 times on unit and tens place together. Okay, so actually यूनिट प्लेस पे पहले चेक करेंगे. यूनिट प्लेस पे 10 बार आएगा, टेंस प्लेस पे 10 बार, total 20 times. Okay, just make a note of this concept. This concept is very useful. We will solve the other questions with this concept. Now see questions like how many times 3 appear if numbers are written from 100 to 400. Okay. 100 to 400. We just discuss the any consecutive 100 number, yani 100, 100, 200, 300, 4 up to 100, 199. We will have any digit 1 to 9 20 times. We have just discussed. So 100 to 199, then 200 to 299, 300 to 399. If we take these things, okay, so 3 will appear 20 times, here 3 will appear 20 times, here 3 will appear 20 times. Okay, total 60 times. Now in 3 digit number 301, 300, 302 up to 399. So at hundreds place hundreds place, at 100 plates 3 appear one time, 3 appears, 3 is appearing, that is total 100 times. Finally, from 100 to 400, 3 will appear, total 100 plus 60, that is 160. This will be our answer. Okay, I will give you a homework. Just solve these questions. How many times five will appear if numbers are written from 100 to 800? How many times 5 will appear if numbers are written from 100 to 800? Okay, this is homework. Just solve or try to find the solution and give in the comment box. If you are not able to solve, I will solve the questions. Okay, now the next question, I will solve these questions. How many times six will appear from 156 to 775? See how we are going to solve these questions. 156 to 255, we know that any 100 consecutive number, any digit 1 to 9 will appear 20 times. This is a golden rules. Just remember these things. So 156 to 255, 6 will appear 20 times. Similarly, 256 to 355, 6 will appear 20 times. The same way, it will go up to the 656 to 755, appear 20 times. Total 3, 4, 5, 20, 20, 20. Total 120 times. Now, after 755, we have 756. Okay, and after 756, we have 760, 761, 762, 766, up to 769. So here it will appear, 6 will appear how many times? From 60, here it will appear 11 times, because in 766 it is double, we have double 6. Okay, so this will be 11 times plus this 6 plus 1, total 12 times. Okay, now six zero zero 601 up to 699. Here at 100 place, 100 place 6 will appear how many times? 100 times. Thus total, यानी यूनिट प्लेस पे, 10 प्लेस पे, 100 प्लेस पे, यहाँ पे 120, 10 प्लेस पे 12 एंड 100 प्लेस पे 100. टोटल 232 टाइम्स. ओके, one more homework. how many times, how many number between 200 and 400 begin with or end with 3. Okay, find the solution and put it in the comment box. Now we are going to solve one question that came in 2023 UPSC CSAT. Before that, we will check certain concept, and the concept number 1 is this: sum of first n natural number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n तक जाएगा. इसको कैसे निकालेंगे? n into n plus 1 by 2. This concept we again solve this concept in AP series when we will read AP series, and we have discussed that natural number is what? Natural number, okay, 1 to n तक, okay, and whole number 0 से स्टार्ट होगा, 0 to n. Okay, so this concept is very important. Now for example, we have to find the sum of this series 4 up to 9. Here number of term is what? n, मतलब 9 है. So n जो है कितना है? 9 है. तो sum क्या हो जाएगा? Sum 9 into 10 by 2 equal to 45. How this 10 will become? n plus 1, that is n plus 1. Okay, ये concept हो गया. Now the real questions come. What is that? What will be the sum of all the digits that appear from 1 to 100? What will be the sum of all the digits that appear from 1 to 100? See here, many students, what they did, 1 to 100, the moment they said 1 to 100, they applied this formula, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Any n 100 and 100 into 101 divided by 2, 50, and then they multiplied this and they find this solution and they give the answer. But they forgot that they are asking the sum of digits. They are not asking the sum of number that is from 1 to 100. They are not number, they are not asking, they are asking the digits. Now we have to find each digit from 1 to 100, 1 to 9, each digit कितना बार appear हुआ. अगर हम हर डिजिट को निकाल लेते हैं, जैसे कि अगर 1 डिजिट कितना बार appear हुआ और उसका अगर 20 बार appear हुआ तो हम उसको 20 बार सम कर लेंगे. अगर 2 जो है 20 बार appear हुआ तो 2 को 20 बार जोड़ लेंगे. 3 जो है कितना बार appear हुआ तो 3 को उतना बार जोड़ लेंगे. तो ऐसे करते करते अगर हम लोग जाते हैं तो हर डिजिट का पहले सम निकाल लेंगे. उसके बाद हर डिजिट का जब सम निकल जाएगा, एक का सम निकल जाएगा, मान लेते हैं 1 का सम 20 आया, 2 का सम आया 40 आया, 3 का सम 60 आया, उसके बाद 20 प्लस 40 प्लस 60, अगर ऐसे हम जोड़ते हुए चले गए, देन वी विल गेट द सम ऑफ द डिजिट. क्वेश्चंस ये पूछा है, ठीक है. तो अगर हम लोग ऐसे सॉल्व करते हैं तो ये दिस विल बी रॉन्ग, दिस विल बी रॉन्ग. ओके, नाउ सी, हम लोग को ये कंसेप्ट पता है कि कोई भी 100 कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर में 1 से लेके 9 तक डिजिट जो होता है कितना बार आता है? हर डिजिट जो है 20 टाइम्स आता है, ठीक है. नाउ सी, तो 1 जो है कितना बार आएगा? 20 टाइम्स. अब 20 टाइम्स आ रहा है तो 20 बार उसको हम जोड़ेंगे 20 बार अगर हम जोड़ेंगे तो मतलब कितना होगा, 20 हो जाएगा। सिमिलरली 2 जो है कितना बार आएगा, 20 टाइम्स। तो 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 20 बार जाएगा। तो ये इसको अगर हम कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो क्या होगा, 2 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 ये कितना बार, 20 बार। तो ये कितना होगा, ये 20 बार होगा। तो 2 × 20 यानी कितना हो गया, 40। सिमिलरली 3 जो है 20 टाइम्स आएगा, और इसको भी ऐसे ही 3 + 3 + 3 + 20 बार। 3 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो हम लोग जानते हैं कितना, ये 1 + 1 + 1 होगा, ये कितना हो जाएगा, 20 हो जाएगा सबको जोड़ेंगे तो, यानी ये 60 हो जाएगा। सिमिलरली 4 20 टाइम्स, तो 4 × 20 यानी टोटल कितना, 80। तो इसी तरह से हम लोग फिर 5 का भी निकालेंगे, ऐसे करते करते 9 का जाएगा, तो 9 का कितना होगा, 9 × 20 टोटल कितना होगा, 180। यानी जब हम सारे 1 को एक बार जोड़ते हैं तो उसका कितना आ रहा है, 20 बार। 2 को सारा सम करते हैं तो हमको उसका कितना आ रहा है, 40 बार। 3 को सारा सम करते हैं, 3 का जितना डिजिट है, जितना बार अपीयर हुआ, सबको जोड़ते हैं तो हमको 60 आता है। ऐसे 9 को जोड़ते हैं तो कितना आता है, 180 आता है। अब ये जो है सबको हम जोड़ देंगे, 20 + 40 + 60 + अप टू 180, इसको जोड़ना है। अब इसको जोड़ने के लिए सब में कॉमन कितना चला गया, 20 कॉमन चल जाएगा, तो बचेगा कितना, 1 + 20 + 30 + अप टू 90 तक। ओके ओके, वी आर डूइंग सर्टेन मिस्टेक हियर। सब में से अगर 20 कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो 1 + 2 20 दूनी 40 + 3 60 + 9 ऐसे चला जाएगा। अब जो है हम इसमें सम ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, जाकि जो कि क्या होता है, n × n + 1 / 2। तो 20 × इसको हम लोग पहले ही कैलकुलेट किए हुए हैं, इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा कि 9 × 10 / 2, 2 से 5 5 नंबर 45 45। तो 45 दूनी 90 900। तो क्या हम लोग ये 900 को आंसर दे सकते हैं? नहीं। क्यों नहीं दे सकते हैं? क्योंकि हमने एक डिजिट को छोड़ा हुआ है जो कि 100 प्लेस पे है। 100 प्लेस पे इस डिजिट को तो कहीं जोड़ा ही नहीं है। हमने तो कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है, 1 + 2 + 3 यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ है, ठीक है। इसमें जोड़ है, इसमें है, ये वाला तो छूटा हुआ था। सो इन 900 वी विल ऐड +1, यानी आवर आंसर विल बी 901। सो दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर। बट ये तो आंसर सही है, बट यूपीएससी सीसैट 2023 में जो क्वेश्चन आया था वो क्वेश्चन इस तरह का था। क्वेश्चन ये था, व्हाट विल बी द सम ऑफ ऑल द digits that appear from 10 to 100. Okay, what will be the sum of all the digits that appear from 10 to 100? 10 से लेके 100 तक। हमने इससे पहले जो क्वेश्चन में निकाले थे क्या, 1 से लेके 100 तक। तो जब हम लोग डिजिट का सम करते हैं 1 to 100, वी गेट द आंसर 901। लेकिन हमको क्वेश्चन पूछा है क्या, 10 to 100, ये क्या होगा? इफ सम ऑफ डिजिट फ्रॉम 1 to 100, 1 to 9, इफ वी सब्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 901, वी विल गेट द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर। ओके, एंड वी नो, अगर हम लोग सम ऑफ डिजिट 1 2 2 + 3 + 9, ये क्या है? ये तो सम ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर समझ लो, या फिर सम ऑफ इस डिजिट का सम समझ लो, बात तो सेम ही है।
तो इसका सम हम लोग पहले ही कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं, 45 होगा, तो 901 से 45 माइनस कर देंगे तो 856 ये होगा आंसर। ये क्वेश्चन आया था CSAT 2023 में। Hope you will understand this concept. This concept is very important. Even I have given 2-3 questions for your practice. Try to solve those questions, and if you are not able to solve, please answer the comment box. And if you have any doubt, that if any questions that you are coming in your practice session and if you are not getting the answer, please put that questions in the comment box. I will try to respond as early as possible. Thank you. Bye.